What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be starting Vlogmas a day late. I know it's day 2 of Vlogmas. Yesterday I just had a lot going on. So we had elections on Monday night for my sorority, which you'll see in this week's Week in My Life vlog that'll be going up tomorrow. So we had elections for my sorority on Monday night, and I still have to transition the girl that's getting my current position, but yesterday I was transitioned in my new position, which is the vice president of growth. So basically I get to handle everything recruitment related for the spring. We have there's currently going to be 14 of us in our chapter, and all but 3 of us will graduate in the spring, so that's a lot. So I'll be running for president at the end of the spring semester probably, but for this semester I will be the vice president of growth. And then the position I currently had was vice president of org development. So since we're a very small chapter, our chapter structure is like very different than like huge chapters. So I was basically sisterhood chair, social chair, standards chair, and risk management chair all in one fun bundle with that position. But now it's getting passed on to one of my sisters, and I'm really excited for her because I had a lot of fun with that position. It can be stressful at times, but everything can. Recruitment can be stressful at times, so I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, I'm hoping to run for president at the end of spring, and we should have a new class of girls coming in, and they'll probably be taking some positions because, like I said, there'll only be 3 of us left once this 2021 seniors graduate. So that's what's going on. But today's video, now that we're over that, I first want to start off, my mom does this Christmas countdown thing for my cousin, her niece, who practically lives with us like part of the time, and she normally does it for me like when I come home from school, so it's like 6 or 8 days, whatever, but I'm home. I've been home since before Thanksgiving. I came home this Saturday before Thanksgiving, so she decided she was going to do all 24 days for me, which she didn't have to do that, but I'm going to show you what my gifts were from yesterday and then today. She has my stuff wrapped. Brianna's is in like a little tree thing. Maybe I'll show it to you guys one day on Vlogmas. But yesterday she got me this shirt. It just says ho ho holla at yo llama, and if you guys didn't know, llamas are my favorite animal. So I was looking at this, I was like, this looks a little small. It's a youth large. It fits me. I don't understand it, but we live in a simulation. That's my thing anytime I don't understand something, is we live in a simulation. And then I have a pair of Christmas llama pajamas, but they're getting like really crusty. I've had them for like 4 years now, and Old Navy had a new pair this year, so this was my day 2 gift, was these pajamas, so I could start. And these ones actually have cacti on them. The year that I got them, they were just llamas with presents on their back, and then they had cacti with Santa hats that were separate, and I have both of them. But what today is really about is our Bath & Body Works Black Friday order came, so I'm going to show you guys what we got. There's Christmas presents in here for my gram, but she's not going to see this, so I am going to show them. I'm also probably going to be doing a video where I show you guys what we get on Candle Day, but other than that, I can't really show you guys gifts that I get for people. That'll have to be like something I should like film before Christmas and then show after, because my family watches my YouTube, so specifically my mom, so I definitely can't show what we got her. I might be able to show what we got my stepdad. I'm a bit confused. Because we definitely got the box that was supposed to have like extra stuff in it. like the deal for Black Friday, and it's not in here and it's not on our invoice, but we definitely paid for it. So I'm wondering if they ran out of them and sent us an email and I didn't see it. I think they did, because the total on here is less than it was when we ordered. Okay, well I guess I won't be showing you the Black Friday box thing, but I can show you what we got at least. So we ordered wallflowers for my gram. She uses these like one a month about in her house. So in this one we have 2 of the snickerdoodle, sugared snickerdoodle, a black cherry merlot, and a spiced apple cider. They just put them in these little things to transport. I'm not really sure like if this is the best way to do this considering that glass. I mean, there's tape across here, but then this one has vanilla bean Noel, strawberry pound cake, peach Bellini, and blueberry sugar. And then this one has peach Bellini, black cherry merlot, vanilla bean Noel, and sunwash citrus. Alright, this is going to be kind of a short video because I thought we were going to have that extra thing, but I guess not. So then we use these shower gels as bubble bath and body wash, so we got 6 more of them. This one is gingerbread latte. This is 1,000 Christmas wishes, vanilla bean Noel, black raspberry vanilla, strawberry pound cake. This is one of my like favorite scents right now. My old favorite scent, what was it called? Velvet Sugar. They retired it, and they only have it out for like the like twice a year semi-annual sales. And then Pink Chiffon, which is actually a retired scent as well. It's my mom's favorite, but they had it out for this sale, so we got one of it. And that's everything we got. So that was a shorter video than I expected, because I thought that we got that extra box thing, but I guess we didn't. We ordered it. It was still available online whenever we ordered, so I don't know what exactly happened there. I'll have to ask my mom to check her email, because we used her account, so I'm very, very confused on that one, but that is everything we got. Kept it very small this year. We had like a ton of lotion that we got from the semi-annual sale in the summer, so that stuff is going to be like Christmas gifts for some people. But yeah, that's about it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for the second installment of Vlogmas, where I show you guys 10 Etsy shops that you should shop from this holiday season. I may own an Etsy shop. Go check out the link in the description. It will be on that list tomorrow, just because I'm going to add it and another one as like a bonus that like I own, and then I like co-own one with a friend. So yeah, I am going to show those two, but like they won't be on the actual list. I have 10 other ones. Yeah, so that is what's up. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. It snowed here. I guess I could show you guys that. It snowed. So I like live in a winter wonderland, basically. That's for living. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. I'm gonna try to do this Vlogmas thing. I can't make any promises because I suck at vlogging, as we know from some of my week in my lives. But regardless, I am going to try, and that is what is important. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.